jáde tán kọ́ sọ wípé àdàbí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bá ń parọ́ gbogbo wọn jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jọ ń pa àwọn èèyàn lẹ́kún ni náà gbogbo òkú Mohbad yẹn ṣé gbogbo náà jọ fi ń jẹun ni.
ẹ̀yin tèmi Lizzy Anjorin tó ti gbé àwọn ẹ̀rí kan jáde o. Lizzy ó fi ìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀ wípé ó ní arábìnrin yìí tí à ń pè ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pẹ̀lú màmá ESABOD ó ní wọ́n jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ ní o. Ó ní àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n jọ ń fi òkú Mohbad wọ́n jọ fi ń jẹun ni wọ́n jọ fi ń rí iwájú ni ó ní wọ́n jọ fi ń pawó ni o. Ó ní òkú Mohbad tí wọ́n sọ pé justice for Mohbad onírọ́ ńlá gbà ni o. Ó ní kì í ṣe justice for Mohbad kankan náà ṣe ó ní wọ́n fi òkú Mohbad wọ́n fi ń gbàwó ni wọ́n ní wọ́n fi ń powó ni sí àpò ara wọn ó ní wọ́n fi ń tọrọ bárà ní ẹ̀yìn èèyàn wa ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy ní fún wa.
Beg leave those nonentities àwọn aláyébàjẹ́ yẹn. So God bless you. Native Soup said I didn't even know this woman would come out this strong, standing tall on them. They nearly pied this woman on with the ESABOD Elepe. They bought ESABOD to come and be cursing. Ṣé ìjọ tí ESABOD ń ṣe pé ṣé bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wà ńbẹ̀. Olórí burúkú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ yẹn ló sọ ESABOD dìdàkudà. On a normal day, ESABOD no be one person wey go stay for 5 years on your topic. Na Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Na Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, all this thing on Facebook, all this thing on social media, because she owns some blogs where they collect monetization and when they collect ransom. So always on my own, she will start abusing me, doing this to me. I will just, but I remember 2019. This lover sent me some things that I was being arrested in what's it called, Mecca, for drugs. I have never seen drugs in my life. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't have friends. I don't mingle with bad people or bad companies. So where do I want to see drugs? All those times I know it was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó's doing. They've been labeling me to be a drug baron, a drug pusher for a very long time. I have never seen drugs. If they are to pick someone that may likely to do drugs between me and Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, it's supposed to be Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Because the kind of business she does, you don't understand. And she does not have life. And she goes to club, she drinks a lot. So she Lizzy that doesn't drink, that doesn't go to club. How did Lizzy want to see drugs? So I was on my own. So the matter that happened in 2019, I know it was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. It's inconcerning. So they now came to ESABOD. All those things that ESABOD was doing, causing people's children, it was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Remember, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó said, ESABOD said she knew Ìyábọ̀ Òjó before me. That is to show you that because I did not cause the child, and they need a narrative that Lizzy Anjorin caused a child, so they need to push ESABOD to do the causing, to get donation and ambassador. Àṣírí tú àbáṣírí òtù. Ọmọlọ́lá Adébísí, only I pity your generation when they see what you are doing on social media. Ṣebí mi mo bá yín fòkú Mohbad gbọ́ donation. Èmi mo dẹ̀ bá yín rọ́jẹ́ ṣàlọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n. Èmi mo dẹ̀ bá yín báyé Naira Marley jẹ́. Ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ Ọmọlọ́lá Adébísí, wọ́n á gbé ẹ̀gbìn bí èbùṣù kóṣù tó parí. Agbára àwọn tó ní ilé ayé. Tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀ tó bá bí gbọ́ ọmọ. Àti wọ́ o, àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó o, àti gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́. Ẹ fojú mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ yín. So èmi tí mò ń defend ara mi, làwọn ọmọ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ rí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe. Tí mo ra gbọ́jà mi sá èjìká tí mò ń tà. Àmọ́ lórí burúkú yín tẹ̀ níṣẹ́ kankan ṣe. Tẹ̀ ń fòkú àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ gba donation. Tẹ̀ ń bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tọ́lọ́ máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀. Tọ́lọ́ wá jẹ́ kó sunkún kíkorò lórí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Òun ni kí n máa wòran. Now, So that game they played against me, if you remember, it was IYABO OJO with her Omoafe. They called ESABOD on Instagram. Go and rewatch that video. You will know that IYABO OJO and ESABOD, they are like this. And the Omoafe, they were just playing games to ruin my enemy's career. Go and watch that video. That is why if you're on this social media, you have to be careful and very calculative. Àìjẹ́bẹ̀ wá bínú sẹ́ni tí ṣẹ̀dá òní tí òní dáríjì ẹ̀. That cause ESABOD cause Omoafe IYABO OJO. It was planned between ESABOD IYABO OJO and the Omoafe just to subject me to ruin my enemy's career. The same thing IYABO OJO did to Naira Marley. Mami, they were all together. They worked together. They were all together. They worked together. Àṣírí lẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu mi lẹ́nu. ESABOD mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ lọ ṣépè, thinking pé máa pe òun, máa gbóríyìn fóun, kó wá ní lọ́wọ́ bí evidence, kó lè padà lo against him. You all need to know what you are doing on this cyberspace. That 2019 is a strategy to ruin my enemy's career. The same thing IYABO OJO did to Naira Marley. What IYABO OJO did to me 2019 is what IYABO OJO later did to Naira Marley. Believe me. How can ESABOD cause a child? And Omoafe and IYABO OJO posted it on Punch that it was Lizzy Anjorin that caused a child. The question you were asking IYABO OJO is the same question we'll be asking. Give us the evidence where Lizzy Anjorin caused a child. Àbí mo purọ́ ni. Àbí nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ sí ni pé IYABO OJO fún wa ní evidence ibi tí Naira tó ti bully Mohbad. The same question, the same thing ni IYABO OJO lò. IYABO OJO wà ara rẹ̀ kú tọmọtọmọ rẹ̀. Lọ́la àwọn tó tilẹ̀kùn alẹ́ ni. Just remember I bought a mansion that 2019. Remember I just bought a new mansion. Because I bought a mansion, that was what triggered IYABO OJO. And she bullied me mercilessly. With her friend or her son or her daughter, this lover. They bullied me, they manipulated me, they disturbed my life. Bí IYABO OJO ṣe gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́ ní 2019. Lizzy ṣépè fọ́mọ, Lizzy ṣépè. Tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Mo e declare mi winner ní court. Ó bímọ sílé alágbo ọmọ. Ó ṣe di pé wọ́n ṣépè fọ́mọ. Ó bímọ sílé alágbo ọmọ. Ó ṣe di pé wọ́n ṣépè fọ́mọ. Tẹ́ bá mọ game tí àwọn people yẹn gbá lábẹ́lẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá mọ game tí IYABO OJO ń gbá lábẹ́lẹ̀. Ní máa wá ohun tó pa Mohbad kiri Yasin. Ẹ pé mo kọ́kọ́ tú àṣírí ẹ̀ fún yín.